What is going on? I think we're setting ourselves up for a little bit of a pullback in the marketplace. Volatility ticked up a little bit today, and it doesn't seem like it's a positive volatility. It feels like we're sort of trending a little bit lower. Oil was down today. Let me put on my glasses. Let me put on my Einstein glasses to see what's going on. Gold got eviscerated today with the market down 100 points. Kind of an odd mix, right? Not really clear what happened there. Market closed off about 65 points. We were at the low. We bottomed out around down 100. Market's sort of in a downtrend all afternoon. It opened basically flat. We had a bit of a sell imbalance this morning. Felt like the market was just going to break. Oil down, a buck and change. You know, as we've seen before, when the market's flatlined at these levels, market closed down up at 18,500. What seemed to have really laid heavily on the market today apparently was Mylan Labs, one of the largest drug companies in the U.S., decided to raise the price of the EpiPen, which is an ephedrine delivery system for people with allergic reactions that are potentially life-threatening. This EpiPen went from $100 to $600. You know, we've seen this before when companies say, while an individual dose literally costs $1. So basically, where do we see? It's a matter of when we focus on things in a matter of greed in the pharmaceutical space. We've seen it before. We saw it with that AIDS drug that gentleman worked with about 6 months ago, and that they raised it 1,700%, and the stock ends up getting eviscerated. Mylan did not get hit that bad, although it did weigh heavily on NASDAQ marketplace today. It seems unnecessary to me to raise the price of a drug from $100 to $600, while the unit price does not really change. Feels a bit on the greedy side. Anyway, net at the end of the day, the market was down about 65 points. Gold got eviscerated. Oil was down. It was all across the board. We saw the small caps, the Russell down 1%, 11 points. So the S&P weighing heavily on the market too. So, and with a tick up in volatility. So are we seeing basically a point where, you know what, we've got this looming interest rate raise in September, which is very possible. Are people setting themselves up for a bit of a sell-off, a bit of a pullback? There is support down, not so far from here in the S&P. I'm not really clear. I can't really make up a lot of stories about what happened today. It felt like just sort of a lackluster sell-off, a bit of a summer sell-off. Not that exciting. Today was the anniversary of a number of weird technical glitch situations, some flash crashes, some ETF weird pricing sell-offs that happened a year ago. You know, are we revisiting any of that? Absolutely not. Basically, net, kind of a quiet day, negative day, not that exciting. Tomorrow's another day as we close into the end of August. We have Labor Day coming up, a holiday. We've got September potential interest rates raise coming up. You know what? I'm not getting that excited about what happened today. I'm going to look into tomorrow and the end of the week and see what's going on. NYSEinstein, I'm kind of a bit fatigued. I do have Lyme disease, and I'm kind of tired. I'm not in it, as you can see. You don't have your normal exciting kind of a guy. So for me, I'm signing off for the day.